Hi, do you like to earn $650 from new app for free? Yeah, this is the app that make you money that I'm going to reveal in this video. You have to just watch it carefully until the end and do accordingly to earn $650 or more or less. But believe me, if you follow me, you can definitely earn thousands of dollars with this. But before I show you the method, welcome to Moneyhorn. Hi, this is Jash from Moneyhorn. If you want to know more, let us make money online methods like this. Be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, so without further ado, we are going to jump back right into the site that apps that going to pay you money for your work. So what is the site? The site that I'm about to show you in this video is called Proof. Yeah, useproof.com. This is a proof site. That is the brand name, and their website address is useproof.com. Yes, this is a great site to make websites conversions very good, and they can analyze your websites if you have one, and they can really analyze and suggest a good way to build your audience, build your conversions, and bring your business to another level. So this is a really lucrative service for website owners or business owners around the world. Those all companies, small or big, they can use this service for increase or to make a social presence, a strong internet presence for their business, and skyrocket their sales and bring lots of new customers daily to their website just using Proof. So this is the Proof. This is the website. You do not have to have a website to earn money from this, but this is the service that Proof provides, that it's very top quality and really cool and professional way that any business owners, e-commerce owners, or any brands, small or big, can use this service. Every business owners want sales, so this is a very lucrative, interesting offers to them to work with. So they are, according to their words, boost your website conversions by 15% in under 15 minutes. So this is a really cool site, and this is definitely, this service has a payment. So they ask for payment from customers who want their websites to build audience, but definitely they can try for free. You can see that they are working with top quality large brands like this, and you can see that more than 25,000 online businesses use already Proof, and they have converted their visitors into leads and sales. So this is a really proven way to build any website. You can see their reviews, user reviews. Customers are happy, really happy using Proof service, and they are really cool to work with. So how can we start making money with this? As it is, we are promoting their affiliate work. So this is it. We just scroll down right at the bottom, and you can see that they have a partner options here. If we click, this page will show the partner page. But before I show you the details of partner, let me show you what customer is paying for this service. So if I go over to their pricing plans, they are like, for 10,000 unique visitors, they're going to provide to your website if you just pay $80 as the customers to their service. So they are giving a minimum, they are asking a minimum $80 per month from any customers who want to build their websites, and they are going to get minimum 10,000 unique visitors, and they are going to get some really professional analysis and live help. You can also chat with them live to get idea to increase your website's visits, conversions, and sales. If we just partner with them, you can see that they have a simple conditions. All you have to do is just join their partner program and just get your referral link, and just get signups to your referral link so that you get commissions for that. So this is a very simple process. If a customers buy any service of Proof, you are going to get 30% of that amount. So this is a really cool way. You can see that customers are paying $80 per month for just 10,000 unique visitors. But if you just see that if you bring a customers that wants more than 100,000 unique visitors per month, he or she have to pay $300 per month. So this is really cool. If you just calculate it, if I just for $300, we are getting $90 as the commissions for that. So this is really cool just from one customer. So this is awesome way to earn money online. So if I just go over to their proof sections, and you can see that according to their statement, you can earn $9 to $130 per month from any customers, a single customers. And this is really awesome. You can get commissions up to $130 per month. So if you just, for in case, if I just get only 5 customers per month, and then we can make $650 per month just without doing anything. It's a one-time work, it's a recurring payment because people are paying monthly here. So you just promote it one time. If you just bring one customers, and he will or she continues to get this service month after month, and you are getting paid without doing anything. So this is the best passive way to earn money online right now. So all you have to do is just go over to their partner programs and just scroll down below and click on the start earning button here. If you just click on that, it will show something like this. You just fill this simple form here. It's not that complicated. It's just a simple form you fill up, and you have to have a LinkedIn account to get registered with them, and just hit next, and you can use your Google email, Gmail, or any email you want, and you can register with them, and you get a referral link from them after registering, and you just share your link to your social medias and any way you like. But definitely I'm going to show you one good way, a proven way you can get lots of traffic very easy, and lots of traffic, not that it's the targeted buyer traffic you can get from it. But before that, if you're liking this method, just go down below, press the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you always stay with my videos. So let's move on to the next phase, which is the traffic phase. We are going over to the google.com. So if we just go over to Google and search, for example, like cooking online courses, so you can search for anything, any business related searches. But for example, I have chosen cooking online courses and I searched it on Google. So if you just scroll down, you can see that lots of big brands, big top sites are going to show up in the first 2 or 3 pages on google.com. So we are not interested in those sites. So all we have to do is just look for from page number 3 to page number 10 from Google. So page 3 to page 10, we are looking for sites that are comparatively small and want to increase their view and sales. So what we are looking for, if we just go over to the page number 3, I can see that there is a site that like simplyrecipes.com. So this looks a good site. And then in the 4th page, I found something like the foodlerts.com. This is a comparatively new and growing site. So if I just go over to their website, this is simplyrecipes.com, and if I just go over to the foodlerts.com, this is the 2 sites that has a course for them, and they definitely want visitors or sales for their courses or for their sites to get top ranking on Google, and so that more people come over to their website and more money they can make. So all we can do is just go down at the bottom of those pages and we are looking for their contact us. We can go over to the contact here, or we can contact them by their social media links here. So we just click on contact and you can see that they have an email options here. We can just directly contact them to their email without any problem, and you can see also you can contact them to their social media. Also, in the second website, if I just scroll down right at the bottom of the website, and you can see that they have a contact us page. If I go over there, contact us, and you can see that they have an email and they have some social accounts as well. We can use any way we want. Just go over to their contact page or social media accounts and ask them and say them that these words like join the family by sharing the most widely used social proof tool on the internet. 2000 plus businesses use proof to boost conversions an average of 10 to 15%. So this is a really cool way to increase your website, and you can boost your website conversions by 15% in under 15 minutes. And something like this, just tell them this, and with your referral link you are good to go. Definitely those small websites, those small businesses really interested to start and try this website. And you can also say that just try for free for 2 weeks and you will be amazed with the result you get. So this is a really cool way, and whenever customers try it for free for 2 weeks, believe me, this is a really good service to increase their website. And when they see progress, that they're getting unique visitors and their sales increased, they are definitely want to go to their paid options, and you will get commissions for that without any worries. You just have to do one-time promotions and get some customers to sign up, and that's it. Just 5 customers can give you monthly $650 over and over again. This is a pure passive income without doing anything from them, and this is really awesome way. This is why I always say you to be active and money will follow you. So if you are not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button and stay with me. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.